Good morning, friends. It's a beautiful day to be on the Colorado Trail. Today I'm hiking section 5. It's about a 14-mile section, and Helen and I are again doing the key exchange strategy. That means in today's case, I parked at Kenosha Pass and I'm hiking north. Helen and her friend parked at the other end of section 5, where section 5 meets section 4, and they're hiking south. What great views we have of South Park. Wow. It's funny, if you're not from Colorado, you might not know South Park is an actual geographical place, not just a TV show. Well, I've only hiked about 3 miles, but I'm taking a little break here already. It's such a beautiful spot, and it's such a beautiful day, and it's early in the morning still, and I think it's a great time to take a break. I'm also taking some photos of my buddy Jerry here. He's hanging out, playing some tunes. So many of the trail markers or confidence markers, I think they're also called, on the Colorado Trail are kind of unique and have a personality. This one's just got some sap on it, but some of them have been there so long that the tree has kind of grown around them. So many wildflowers on this section this time of year. Man, check it out. When I left Kenosha Pass this morning, it was 45 degrees Fahrenheit. It was pretty cold. I was chilly for the first 20 minutes or so, but it's really warmed up now. In fact, if it gets much hotter, and I'm sure it will, I'm gonna say it's too hot. Looks like I'm about 6 miles into the hike. It's funny, All Trails tells me I'm more like 6.7, but in any case, pretty far along, almost halfway for today's day hike. And now's the time when I start wondering, when am I going to run into Helen and her friend? That's part of the fun, right? This key exchange thing. Meet in the middle, or somewhere near the middle, exchange keys, get to the other trailhead, you just hop in the other car. I'm sitting by a water source. I don't need water, but there's a little bit of shade here. I'm eating this Nature Valley wafer bar. I got a ton of these things and they expired last October. I asked some friends and everyone seems to be in agreement that they've got to still be edible. The reason that they expired is I just don't like them all that much. They're fine, if I'm backpacking, there's nothing wrong with these things. They're easy 200 calories. But, usually for day hiking, I tend to bring something more appealing. So I just never end up eating these things. Well, I'm gonna get to it right now though. we just ran into the ladies. I've gone 8 miles. And so that means you guys have gone
Maybe 6.
somewhere between 6 and 7, I guess.
She's trailblazing it today.
Nice work. So we will meet in the middle here and continue on our way. But this is the highlight of the trip, seeing my friends and my bride. Well, that was fun. Just ran into the ladies and we didn't stop and take a break together because it's very sunny in this area and there's not really a good break spot. So they're going to continue. I'm going to continue. Oh, one thing. You know, that granola, that wafer bar, it really isn't bad. Once I ate it, I'm like, oh, you know, I don't know why I'm reluctant to eat it because I always kind of enjoy it once I get to it. All right. We are once again entering the Lost Creek Wilderness. Hiked about 9 miles, so I'm taking my main break here in the shade. Hopefully the flies don't start attacking me. And this is my main meal, I guess. One of Helen's signature caprese sandwiches: mozzarella, fresh tomatoes, baguette, pesto, some hot bomba sauce from Trader Joe's. Oh yeah. Currently at mile 61.9 on the Colorado Trail. That means for me it's been about 10 miles since I left Kenosha Pass going north. And the trail is a little bit different than it was earlier today. We're in a conifer forest and it's nice and soft on the ground, and I got some good shade patches. We are once again exiting the Lost Creek Wilderness. This concludes today's hike, segment 5 of the Colorado Trail, from Kenosha Pass to Long Gulch trailhead. According to this sign, it's 14 miles to Kenosha Pass. Oh, all right. I had a good pace today. I felt good. The weather was great. Saw a lot of through hikers who looked like they were having fun too. That'll do it.